one do you feel right now? Yes, this one. This is when you move. Oh, okay. Can you show me exactly? It's here, right? This one you feel when you move the elbow or when you touch it?
All the time.
All the time. Okay.
Αισθάνεται μόνο όλη την ώρα, όχι μόνο όταν κινείται.
From 0 to 10, how much is this? 9. Oh, okay. It's very painful.
Είναι πολύ important. Είναι συγκεκριμένα τα μάτια του 10 είναι στο 9.
Okay. So I'm going to just. Sorry. It just very good. Thank you. And thank you so much. So when I palpate, if you feel tender, you let me know, okay? Tender here? Yes? Okay. And this one? No, okay. Right there. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now I would like you just move a little bit the elbow and you tell me where do you feel. Okay, without pushing, just moving a little bit. Okay, can you show again? Right there. Okay, how big is the area? Okay, it's a little bit bigger. Okay, this here. Okay, seems to me it's went a little lower. Here? Yeah, okay. I will just adjust this one to see first what we can do.
Θυμίζει πρώτα τη βελόνα που έχει ήδη βάλει.
Here, also tender.
Τι γίνεται.
This one? No? Okay. Yes, okay, we got it. Thank you.
Βρήκαμε ένα επόμενο σημείο.
Good one.
Αυτό είναι καλό.
Okay, now gentle, you just move the elbow. Okay, now where is it?
Είναι λιγότερο στο ίδιο σημείο, αλλά είναι πιο
It's less pain, but the same point.
Same point. How much now from 0 to 10?
Είναι στο 5.
5. Okay, this is pretty good. Can you show again? Here. And is it still this or smaller? Smaller. Okay.
Είναι μικρότερη περιοχή του τώρα. Και έχει πάει στο 5.
No. Yeah?
Yeah, very close.
Yeah, very close. I'm burning. This is what?
Yes.
I don't know, do you say that in English? That when you get close to the point, you say you're getting hotter and hotter? Warmer and warmer? Okay, thank you. So I'm getting warmer. Good job. Okay, now you can move. Okay. Now, much better? Very good. Now, the area on the shoulder was right there. Am I correct?
Τουλάχιστον ακόμα είναι πολύ καλύτερη. Πάμε στον νόμο.
Kind of try. Oops. Tender here where I push? This one. Okay. Thank you. Oh, sorry, I didn't say that I was on the gallbladder channel for these needles and now I'm on the large intestine.
Ήταν στο πολυδόχο κίστη προηγουμένως, με σε μια πολυδόχο κίστη, στους προηγούμενους βελόνες, και τώρα πάει στο...
Παχύδρο.
Ναι, παχύδρο.
Όχι, παχύδρο.
Okay, now just move gentle without testing. Just, yeah, very good. Now you can relax the shoulder. Very good. Now you can test.
Yeah, it's a little bit more.
But now you can move better. Okay. Can you show me where is the remaining? And when you move, I can help you.
And 1 point.
Just 1 point here. Okay.
Έχει μείνει ένα σημείο πόνο ακόμα στον νόμο. Είναι καλύτερα.
Yes, this one. Here. So I'm still on the large intestine.
Συνεχίζεται στο παχύεδρο.
Now, same thing, you just, yeah, very good. And now you can try again. Much better? Okay. Very good.
Τώρα
Give me
να
five.
δούμε.
Okay, the same thing. It's good if you can treat yourself every day, okay, and then it will just disappear.
Είναι καλή ιδέα να κάνεις κάθε μέρα θεραπεία.